Hello, I'm going to show you how the fundamentals of an electric circuit. First of all, we need a power source, like a battery. Then to actually transfer the current into the other components from the battery, we need wires, one at the positive terminal and one at the negative terminal. But how are you supposed to know that the circuit works? I mean, we can just connect wires and see nothing. Yeah. That's why we have indicators, or for example, the light bulbs or LEDs, whatever. We'll connect a wire here at the negative terminal and another wire here at the positive terminal. As you can see, the light bulb works due to the current and voltage in the battery. But I want to gain control. I want to actually turn the light bulb on and off whenever I want. That's why we have switches. We'll get a switch. We'll connect two wires, one that connects with the battery and the other that connects the other end of the switch with the light bulb. As you can see, it's off now, but when I flip the switch, it's on. Flip the switch again, it's off. Flip the switch again, it's on. I hope you liked the video, and goodbye.